In this tutorial, we're gonna see how to withdraw money from Uniswap. Firstly, open the Uniswap wallet on your mobile device, then tap the Buy or Sell button at the bottom of the screen. Toggle to Sell at the top of the interface, then select the crypto asset you want to convert into cash. Choose an offer map provider from the list, then follow the provider's instructions to complete the sale. Enter the amount to sell, input your bank account details, verify your identity if required, and confirm the transaction. Also, receive fiat in your bank account. Timing depends on the provider, usually within minutes or few business days. Make sure your Uniswap wallet is updated and always double-check the fees and conversion rate before confirming. And you must pass identity verification with the offer map provider.